What if I told you that one decision your grandparents made could be the reason your family is rich or still struggling today? Real estate isn't just about buying a house, it's about planting a money tree that keeps growing for generations. In 1985, a man named Richard bought a small two-bedroom home in Los Angeles for just $78,000. His friends said he overpaid. Fast forward 35 years, that same home is worth over $1.2 million. He just lived in it and let time do the work. Real estate builds wealth in three powerful ways at the same time. First, equity. Every mortgage payment, you're buying a bigger piece of the house. Second, appreciation. Over time, property values rise. And third, cash flow. If you rent it out, someone else pays the mortgage while you keep the profit. But what if I can't afford a house right now? That's where smart strategies come in. REITs, house hacking, buying with partners. Even investing in a small property today can snowball into something huge 20 years from now. Real estate isn't just about money, it's about stability. A paid-off home means no rent, no eviction risk, and something priceless to pass down. If this opened your eyes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly insights on building financial freedom for the next generation. Thanks for watching Money Insights USA. Think long-term, build slow, and stay wealthy.